Generative AI and the different types of AI by Makaha, my table of contents. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates images, text, codes by using larger models that's filled with information to create something new. Different types of AI, reactive machines, that's like the AI chess or like the space AI on your phone. Limited memory, that's like using past decisions to make better decisions. That's like a Waymo or self-driving car, stuff like that. Theory of mind, this is hypothetical, but like this is like if AI had emotions and their own thoughts. Self-aware AI is the highest level in the framework, purely theoretical, but like AI with its own conscience. Why AI matters in cybersecurity. People use deepfakes to create deepfakes all the time, and I feel like cybersecurity, generative AI can detect stuff like that faster, and also it is a problem because it creates stuff like that. Phishing attacks, fake identities, stuff like that is a bigger risk with generative AI. First article, the generative AI in the real world tech review by J.A. Smith. The article talks about how generative AI is rapidly integrating in everyday life, whether it's healthcare, finance, education, cybersecurity, or just literally living, like wondering what you should do with your dog. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other models are literally transforming how people interact or how people live. Gen AI help companies reduce costs, increase efficiency, and it but the biggest way it does that, generative AI can analyze its own data and produce insights to help with future decision making. Lead into his AI journal. Summary of the journal. Lee explains the five major types of AI. Reactive AI only in response to the present moment cannot learn. The self-driving cars. Yeah. He also discusses how they rely on large data sets, complex neural networks, and how generative AI is the newest and most influential uh, tech advancement since probably computers. Relation. This article connects directly to my AI. My pre-research. It strengthens my topic by explaining where generative AI fits in the overall AI, you know, AI infrastructure, and it supports my angle by showing how AI is is going to impact the future. Generative models in cyber defense, cybersecurity today by Mr. Patel. Patel explains that generative AI not only an offensive tool but can be a defensive tool in cybersecurity. It can detect threats faster than older systems by analyzing huge amounts of data in a little amount of time. It can predict how attacks gonna happen, and many cybersecurity companies use Gen AI to block phishing, malware, and other intrusions. This article directly supports my field, which is cybersecurity. It shows generative AI's role in protecting systems and show how dangerous AI-driven attacks can be, and it proves why Gen AI is essential for cybersecurity for professionals in the future. Fourth article: The Risks and Rewards of Generative AI, Future Tech Magazine by Sierra Rivera. Sierra Rivera discusses the benefits of generative AI, including productivity boosts, creative tools, and improved accessibility. It allows non-experts to generate high-quality work using very simple prompts, and it doesn't require too much brain work. Rivera highlights the huge economic value for generative AI. This article directly ties into my theme of the impact of generative AI on society. It shows both the negative and the positive effects of generative AI has on everyday life, and it reinforces my argument that studying generative AI in 2025 is important because society depends on it, and it's going to be literally everywhere by next week. Key takeaways: the power of generative AI. Generative AI is literally everywhere. It create, analyze, and solve problems faster than ever. It is literally shaping how people work, think, and live their lives. Now, our responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility. We must use AI to help people, not replace them, and we should also be careful with how we use it, because how we guide it will decide its impact. The future. Knowing the types of AI shows how far we come. It reminds us to stay careful as we move ahead, and the choices we make now will literally shape our future. Thank you.